Okay, hi. My name is Bhavesh Sangvi. I live out of Mumbai. Been an investor in the markets for quite some time. I've been a client of Equity Master for I think maybe over a decade now. I started off a little slowly because you don't necessarily know the platform and which you would like to trust. And I think over a period of time, of having dealt with these guys, obviously I got a lot of comfort initially. The fact that they're conservative is something that I really like about their approach. I think Rahul and his entire team have built an excellent franchise, moving away from normal broking, which they used to do over a period of time, and created a service which customers can really value. I started off by using the stock select, then mid cap select, and then over a period of time, almost all their services. Obviously, what I don't like about the fact that is that they got a little greedy in between, and they used to charge you a lot of money over a period of time for almost every service, and hence I thought it made a little bit of sense to just become an equity master reserve. I did have my tips with these guys, but having said that, I think that the platform is extremely conducive. It's an excellent platform for people who are naive, who don't understand markets, as well as for people like guys who actually understand and know the markets very well. I think all their services bring a lot of value, depending upon the stocks that you want to trade, depending upon what kind of an investor you are, whether you're a passive investor or you're a trader. I think it's been an eventful journey with Equity Master, and I wish them all the best. I'm sure they'll continue to do the good job that they've been doing. Thanks.